You ever see one of those guys who seems to have everything figured out? You know, the ones who make money while they sleep, sipping overpriced coffee while their business just runs itself? Well, let me tell you a little secret. They're not doing it alone. They're using funnels, and not just any funnels. I'm talking about 52 done-for-you, plug-and-play, ready-to-print money funnels that practically sell for you. And guess what? Russell Brunson is giving them away. Yep, you heard that right. The guy who co-founded ClickFunnels, the dude who's built a massive online empire, is handing over his best funnels for free inside his exclusive Masterclass. And you can get in right now. Links in the description. Now, if you don't know who Russell Brunson is, let me put it this way. If the internet had a secret underground club where all the million-dollar marketers hung out, Russell would have the VIP pass, and he's about to hand you one too. So let's get real for a second. Why do most online businesses fail? It's not because they have bad products. It's not because they don't work hard. It's because they don't have a system, a way to turn total strangers into paying customers on autopilot. And that's exactly what these 52 done-for-you funnels do. Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing sales rolling in while you're still half asleep. No chasing leads, no begging people to buy, no weird marketing voodoo. Just a simple, proven system that works. You don't have to be a tech wizard. You don't have to be some marketing genius. Russell's already done all the work for you. And here's the kicker. This isn't some watered-down fluff. This is the real stuff. The same funnels he's used to build million-dollar businesses. And today, you get all 52 of them for free. But here's the deal. You have to act fast. These masterclasses fill up insanely fast, and once the spots are gone, they're gone. So do yourself a favor. Click the link in the description right now, reserve your spot, and get your hands on these 52 money-making machines before they disappear. Because let's be honest, you can keep spinning your wheels, trying to figure it all out alone, or you can plug into a proven system that already works. The choice is yours. But if you're serious about building an online business that actually makes money, this is your chance. Click the link below and get started. See you on the inside.